Good morning everyone, and welcome to the second topic for this quarter, and it's about what's called by hurricane. Okay, let's start first by what is the hurricane. Actually, the hurricane is a huge storm with high wind speed, just like this photo. Look at this photo. Okay, so it's like a huge storm with high wind speed, and actually it lasts over 1 week. So the hurricane can only last for duration for 1 week. If you look again at this photo, you will see that the hurricane is very huge. As we said, it's a huge storm. Look at the center of the hurricane. It's called the eye of the hurricane. So at the center of the hurricane, this is a small part called the eye of the hurricane. And actually the eye of the hurricane is the calmest point or the calmest part in the storm. So the eye of the hurricane lies in the center of the storm, and the eye is the calmest part in the storm. Okay. So we know that the hurricane is a huge storm with a high wind speed, and it has the eye, and the eye is in the middle of the hurricane, and actually it's the calmest part of the hurricane. Okay, let's talk about forming the hurricane. Actually, the hurricane is formed over a warm ocean and not the cold ocean. As you know, we have a warm and cold ocean. The warm oceans near the equator and the cold oceans near the poles. The hurricane formed only over the warm oceans due to the warm air around the water. So now we have take the definition of the hurricane and what is the eye, and the center is the calmest part, and when where it's formed over the warm ocean. And the last one is the effect of the hurricane. All the hurricanes have a strong thunderstorm. They have, due to the high speed wind, they do a thunderstorm and a fast winds and heavy rains. This wind of the hurricane can actually break tree trunks and destroy buildings. They can actually create floods, and these may be some sort of beneficial, as it may gives the plant the water they need. So the hurricane is same as dangerous as the severe weather we talked last session. Again, the hurricane is a huge storm with a high speed and lasts for 1 week, and it's formed in the warm ocean. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy.